Hey guys, now in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys two ways you can go ahead and swap cryptos on TrustWallet. So this video is going to go ahead and show you guys two techniques that are really useful for conversions and converting your cryptos on TrustWallet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically, to start off with the first one is obviously the built-in swap. Now basically, you can go ahead and swap ERC20 tokens in here, BNB tokens as well, and basically it's really useful, but sometimes you can't swap certain coins, right? So that making it the second option, which will help you out with converting your tokens, which is PancakeSwap.finance/swap. Now if we go ahead and head over there, guys, you guys can see that we actually have more options here to convert cryptos. Now basically, you guys can see on the Binance chain here, the network, we can actually convert a bunch of cryptos. Now it is so nice on PancakeSwap that you can go ahead and convert ETH into whatever crypto you want to. Now I know ETH to XRP is not possible on the actual Trust Wallet, but here on the PancakeSwap it is extremely possible, guys. Now all you have to do is connect your wallet here, guys, and basically you would go ahead and just do the exchange and swap right here, guys. So pretty much those are two techniques on how you can go ahead and swap cryptos on Trust Wallet, guys. And I find PancakeSwap to be the more viable one, and it's a lot better because it's just more options as in cryptos. So hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful, guys. And with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.